Hi, I'm Anissa.
And I'm Tahir.
Welcome to our channel, Offbeat Life. We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Today, we're going to be talking to you about gut health, what it is, and how you can improve yours. So the gut refers to your digestive tract. That contains millions of bacteria inside of it. So what is gut health?
Gut health refers to the function and balance of bacteria in your digestive tract.
Okay, so Anissa, why should our viewers care about gut health? It seems kind of boring.
Well, gut health is actually super important for our overall health and well-being. So the first reason is, if you think about it, when you have really good gut health, it will help you with the digestion of your food. It makes it a lot easier. And it also helps you with the absorption of nutrients from the foods that we eat.
Oh, that seems kind of important.
Yeah, it's also super important for immunity. So having strong gut health will also help us to fight off infections from bacteria and viruses. And also, and importantly, especially in the world that we live in right now, where so many of us are locked down and struggling, it really does help with our mental health. So having strong gut health will help you with your overall mental health because there is a strong connection between our gut and our brain.
Wow, that is absolutely wild. And so cool to know that you can actually affect your mood by what's happening inside of your digestive system.
Yeah, it's a great first start to get you on the right track. So how can we improve our gut health?
Great question. Here's some tips for our viewers for improving gut health. A good night's sleep is super important and helps out a lot. You want to also reduce stress. Stress wreaks havoc on not only your gut, but the rest of your bodily functions. You want to incorporate as many plant-based foods as possible with the fiber. Fiber and gut go hand in hand. Great job together. And you also want to switch to natural cleaning products and avoid those toxic and harsh chemicals.
Actually, on our channel, we do have a video about the natural products that we use in our home that are our favorites, so do check that out. And we also have a ton of recipes that we've shared here on our channel to help you get started on your plant-based journey to eat more of that fiber-rich food. And we've also recently released our free beginner's guide to plant-based eating with a handful or two of recipes to help you get started.
Absolutely. So the last few things to help you out with your gut health are avoiding caffeine, smoking, alcohol, refined sugars, and artificial sweeteners. Not good, definitely want to avoid those. And finally, you want to add fermented foods to your diet. And we're going to talk about those in a second.
So fermented foods are those that are rich in probiotics, which help to increase the good bacteria in your gut. And examples of fermented foods would include things like kimchi, raw sauerkraut, miso, tempeh, and kombucha. Now, it is also important to try to find raw examples of these foods where possible, and that typically means that they will be in the refrigerated section of your grocery store rather than those that are found on the shelf. Things like shelved sauerkraut will not have as rich of probiotics as the stuff that is raw.
Here you go. All right, so that's it for this week's video. Thank you so much for joining us. We really hope you enjoyed our coverage of gut health. Now, we have just scratched the surface of this topic. It is truly, oh boy, here we go. Okay, so that's it for this week's video. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you've enjoyed our coverage of gut health. Now, the information we've given you is just scratching the surface. This is a fascinating topic, and new science is emerging every single day to show the connection between your gut and your overall health. So we encourage you, please look into this a little bit more. We'll leave you some resources below. And if you want us to dive a little bit deeper, leave us some comments down below. Thank you again. Please remember to like, subscribe, and tell your friends and family about our channel. Until next time, signing out for Offbeat Life. See ya.
Bye.